Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Snappa account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the URL bar, type in snappa.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official homepage of Snappa. Now, on the top navigation bar, you can see a login link. Click on it and a pop-up will appear. From here, you need to type in your email address on this field and a password here. After typing in your credentials, click on login button to log into your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Now click on login button. As you can see that I have been logged in to my account. So that is how you can log into your Snappa account. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.